Hello, do you want to know how you can make over $1,000 on YouTube every day? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make over $1,000 on YouTube without ever making videos or sitting behind the camera. So today we're looking at this niche, which is all about meditation niche. And this channel we're looking at, they have over 1.32 million subscribers, and they're making over 896 to 14.3 thousand dollars monthly. And all you just do is use images and get videos from a site I'm going to be showing you later on how you can do that, and just put that up, and they're getting daily views of about 115,000. Look, man, 12 million views, man. Isn't this huge? Very, very huge, man. 12.5 million views. All they just do is just record, put and with your phones, and that's just all. Do a voice record with your phones. Look, man, look what she does. This channel, I think it's a lady. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like my video so that you won't miss out on all the best way to make money on YouTube, and all my latest videos are going to be popping out for you guys. So as I was saying earlier on, look, man, she has 1.32 million subscribers. She doesn't really do much. Look what she does on YouTube. Not much. She just posts fun videos about herself and her friends. Vegan meal another 30 minutes how to make that. Or you just need what happens to your body when you go vegan. General worship pose. So I'll be showing you guys a meditation today. Later I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make more money than YouTube ads can ever than Google ads can ever pay you. Google ads, you're just going to be making a couple of $5,000, $15,000, and only the biggest niche makes such money. But my way is easier for you guys. So here is another channel which is known as Michael Sealy. He has approximately 1.55 million subscribers. And look, man, he posts just one video a month, one video a month, sometimes one video in 3 months. If I were you and I come into this kind of niche, I make sure I post like twice a week or 3 times a week, and you're going to be getting more money than this guy. You're going to blow up, man. Put your videos everywhere so that they begin to go viral and views. You don't know, man, you can make a lot from this. All he does is just get images and videos, and he just puts them up together and does a free or video and an audio recorder with his phone. That's literally what he does, man. He doesn't do much. He just records himself talking, and look how much he's making per month on YouTube. 831 13.3 k thousand. As a YouTuber, I can say he's making an average of about $8,000 to $11,000 on YouTube monthly. Monthly, guys. Are you guys seeing this? Just from Google Ads alone. Just by placing ads on his videos, he's making this much amount of money. You can make more than this. All you just need is consistency. Post very often. As I said earlier, he doesn't post much. He's getting a average view, daily view average of about 106,000. You see, every day. Look at views, man. And look at where you can get tags. Some of his best tags: hypnosis, sleep hypnosis. And I'm going to be telling you guys the best secrets on how your videos can pop up more on YouTube. But you have to stay and watch until at the end of the video so that you won't miss out on more secrets I'm going to be telling you guys. There are a lot of secrets for you guys. I'm going to be telling you guys how you can do that so that the videos can go viral. After going viral, you stay more on YouTube. Look, man, $13,300 just by putting images and videos together. You make this every month. Just imagine yourself having two channels on this. I'm going to be showing you guys an extra way on how you can make money from Google Ads, and this is what this guy does. He just puts up a link in the description, and whoever goes to download one of this track, he gets paid, guys. He gets paid. Let's just say 10,000 people. Just multiply it. So say 10,000 people multiplied by these $3. That's huge, man. Talk less of like the 100,000, and you get approximately sometimes millions of views. Let's just say half of 500,000 people go and just purchase this, multiplied by $3. You're going to see how much I'm talking about. That's cool cash. That's what he's making. So that $13,000 YouTube pays him, Google pays him is just like a little change for him. Look at all the links he drops in his video in the description. This is another channel. It's known as Calm. They're also in meditation niche, like I said earlier. 576,000 subscribers. That's quite huge for YouTube also. Yeah, and they're making 1.2 thousand to $19,000 every month, guys. That's huge. That's really huge. They don't also post often. 1 month, a video in a month, one video in 2 months, another video in 2 months, another video in another video in 4 months. They don't post often. So if I were you guys, man, I would like open the channel right away and start posting videos, start piling up my videos. So if you were to do a keyword research to know how good it will be, you just come back to Keyword Explorer by downloading TubeBuddy extension on your Chrome. If you don't have that, I'm going to keep a description, a link to getting getting registered on the TubeBuddy. So it's in the description box below. And look, man, I type in the word and I got 72. Make sure you try and get from 50 upward. Any keyword you want, any title you want to use for a video, make sure it's from 100, from 50 above. Sorry, 50 above. Look, they show you the common tags that people are using to go viral on YouTube, man. TubeBuddy is like one of the best, and you can get it for as low as $4.5 for people who have less than 1,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel. Look, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a course later on where you can make over $100,000, $50,000, $30,000 just by placing Google ads. They show you all the steps. I'm going to also leave the link for that course in the description box. But for the doubters, there's going to be a testimonial later on in the video of some people who have registered on the course and become successful. So you can watch that later on. But for now, look, man, this is where you get tags that you can use in videos. Most use tags so that your videos will pop out more and you're going to get more people watch your video. So I said I was going to be telling you guys where you can get the free images. This is a site called pexels.com. You just come over here and type on the whatever you need. I typed in meditation and look, a lot of people meditating. So you can just use these images and pile them up together. Just go on Google or go on Fiverr, pay $5 and get someone who will just do a voiceover for you. Or if you can do that yourself, do a voiceover. You can also get videos. You can look up here towards your left, their photos, and you just click on the videos and they are free. Remember, you're not paying for anything. They are free to use. You just come right here and download it and nobody's going to sue you for any copyright or take down your video. Look, there's a monk here. There are a lot of people. If you're doing a video on yoga, you just come over here, look at a lot of people relaxing. Just take that up and just extend it just by pulling them to the end. And for as long or how many minutes video you want to do. So here the testimonial.
I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and I've been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited.
I'm freaking excited today. I got my first sale.
John Crestani, you've been featured in Forbes magazine.
And the best thing is you can work from anywhere, no matter where you travel. I've really worked hard to create in my educational programs, creating a clear plan that people can follow that's proven and can help them become successful and start making their first commissions online. You learn business skills.
I love it because a lot of people do not know where to.
So you can see the description down, the link down in the description for you guys to go register. So this is an affiliate, a store like where you get digital products to sell, and that's how those guys are making huge amount of money on their YouTube channel. You can make more than $1,000 in a day by selling this. You just come out to marketplace. There are a whole lot of products. Look at this. They pay $122 just for selling or promoting their course. Whoever buys these products get this amount of money, times it by 10 or 20 people. Then let's just say you have a channel that's making over 200,000 views or getting over 200,000 views or 500,000 views, and you just say times 1,000, 200 times 1,000. This and the tube mastery and monetization. It's all about how you can make more money on YouTube. You can just come over here. I'm trying to promote it so I'll get my link, but I'm having network issues. But all you just need to do is come here, click on the promote now, and you're going to get a link that you can put in. You can even go on Google on pages and put them. There are a lot, man. Health niche, meditation niche, how to make money niche, different niches. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and hit the notification bell. And all of you who are really happy or pumped up on making money, drop a comment in the description. Make money. Look, man, $122. $122. So I'm going to just drop a comment for me in the description. So I'm going to know how happy you are on making this money. Look, man, most people won't tell you this on their courses, but I'm telling you guys this for free. For free. I think I deserve a comment or a thumbs up. So just do that. Look, there are a lot of products from software, social media, personal development, languages, jobs, a lot, a lot. So if you're really ready to make more money than you can ever make, it's just like a lot of people are making money on YouTube, man. A lot. Look at the amount of money you can be making just by putting links in your videos. Just by putting links, you can be sleeping and people are going to come over and download whatever products you're producing, your you're promoting. Sorry for that. Whatever products you're promoting, you're going to get paid. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so that you get all the latest videos. Thank you. Bye for now.